Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will see about sources of water, grade 3 EVS lesson. Continuation of our previous video. Objectives. At the end of the lesson, you will be able to know the three types of water, identify different sources of water, describe how water becomes dirty, tell the diseases caused by dirty water, explain the ways to avoid it, know the importance of water, and to know how to preserve water. Types of water. There are three types of water. They are surface water, groundwater, and rainwater. Surface water is the water which is seen on the surface of the earth, and groundwater is found under the ground. Surface water. Examples of surface water are river, pond, lake, stream, ocean, and sea. We cannot use water from seas and ocean as it is salty. This water is unfit for drinking, cooking, or farming. Groundwater. Examples of groundwater are well, hand pump, and tube well. The next type of water is the rainwater, which is the important source of water. Thus, the three types of water are the groundwater, surface water, and the rainwater. Now, let us see how water becomes dirty. Water becomes dirty by dumping garbage and sewage into it. Dirty water can cause diseases like jaundice. Jaundice is a yellowish or greenish pigmentation of the skin and whites of the eyes. This is due to a problem in the liver. Next is typhoid. Typhoid fever is a bacterial infection due to a specific bacteria. Symptoms may vary from mild to severe fever and usually begin 6 to 30 days after exposure. And diarrhea. Diarrhea is a condition of having at least 3 loose liquid or watery bowel movements each day. It often lasts for a few days and can result in dehydration due to fluid loss. In order to avoid such diseases, the government cleans the water before it reaches our homes through pipes. However, before drinking, we have to boil the water or use water filter. Water should always be stored in the cleaned and closed container. Saving water. To save water, we should close taps properly, not let the taps run while brushing teeth, reuse the water whenever possible. Example, the water used to wash the vegetable can be used to water the plants. And rainwater harvesting. Points to remember. There are three types of water. They are surface water, groundwater, and rainwater. The different sources of water are river, pond, lake, stream, seas, and ocean. Water becomes dirty when we dump garbage and sewage into it. Dirty water causes diseases like jaundice, typhoid, and diarrhea. We should always boil or filter the water before drinking. The most important is we have to save water by not wasting it. Words to learn. Ponds. P-O-N-D-S. Ponds. River. R-I-V-E-R. River. Lake. L-A-K-E. Lake. Ocean. O-C-E-A-N. Ocean. Jaundice. J-A-U-N-D-I-C-E. Jaundice. Typhoid. T-Y-P-H-O-I-D. Typhoid. Diarrhea. D-I-A-R-R-H-O-E-A. Diarrhea. Boiling. B-O-I-L-I-N-G. Boiling. It's question time. Say yes or no. Ocean water is used for farming. No. We should boil the water before drinking. Yes, very good. Water becomes dirty when we dump garbage in it. Yes. We should store water in open container. No. We can collect rainwater and use it for various activities. Yes. Well done, children.